In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poster for free on Canva and then design it as well and then share it with the world. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a fully functional poster that you can share with the world. If that sounds good, I want you to leave a like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on if you haven't yet. By the end of this video, you're going to be having a beautifully designed poster that you can share with the world completely for free. You don't need any technical knowledge. You don't need any design knowledge. Anybody can use this video. And the best thing is it's completely for free. So, and comment down below what kind of poster you're creating and maybe we can share tips with each other. Let's get started video. So you can see here I'm on the official canva.com website. If you're not already here, you're just going to open up any web browser. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Microsoft, you can use any web browser you want, but you're going to need to be in a computer. It doesn't matter what computer. You can be on a Windows computer, you can be on a Mac computer, you can be on a Linux computer. So once you've done that and you've opened up your web browser, you're going to want to go to the top browser and you're going to type in canva.com. So canva.com, and I'm already on the page. And from here, you're going to need an account. So if you don't have an account yet, you're going to click on sign up. And here's the account options that you can do. If you have a Google Gmail account, you just click on continue with Google. Or if you have an existing Facebook account, you can just click continue with Facebook. If you don't want to link your Gmail, if you don't want to link your Facebook, you can also do continue with email. So it will continue, so you can create it with email, or you can continue another way. And if you click continue another way, it just shows you a few different more options. So let's say you're going to do continue with email. You're going to enter your emails. It's going to send a verification. Okay. And once you've successfully signed up and you've logged into canva.com, you'll be presented with something that looks like this screen right now. You can see here that I have a bunch of different things that I've created in the past. Anyways, so first what you're going to do is when you're presented on the screen, you're going to type on the search bar here, and then you're going to be presented with a bunch of different things. If you want, you can sign up for a paid account, and what the paid account pretty much does is it just lets you use the things that have like the pro on it. You can see that a lot of these are just free, but what I want to do is I'm going to type, you can search in from between millions templates anyways. So I'm going to type in poster. This is completely for free, by the way. And you can see here that you're presented with a lot of different poster examples that you can create. So you're just going to scroll down. Now keep in mind that the ones that say pro, these you need a paid account. Anything that does not have a star in it, so you can see a bunch don't have stars, you can just use. So if you want a paid account, you can sign up for that as well. I'll show you guys how much the paid accounts are. So if you want to sign up for a Canva Pro account, here's the options that you have. You go to canva.com/pricing and you can see that I'm just logged in my account right now. Right now we're on the Canva free account, but all you really need is a Canva Pro account to access all of the paid features. So you can pay monthly, which is $15 a month, or if you pay yearly, you save a little bit, which is $120 for the whole year. So whichever plan is best for you, you can pick. But with free for this tutorial, it's going to accomplish everything we need plus more. So we're just going to stick with free, but you're free to upgrade as well. And upgrading just adds more features, really. You add more customizability. Coming back, that you see here that we've already searched for poster. And we're going to find one that we like for a poster. And you can see here, these are a lot of different posters that we can potentially do. These are all literally just templates. So literally that if you want to open something, you just type it in and then it will just. So we'll click this one, for example, a movie poster. We'll use this template. You literally just type in use template, and you can see here sometimes it even pops up free trials. So you can see here that it's $0 on 30-day trial. Sometimes it pops up. You can just even access it if you want. And you can see here, I'll just claim the free trial since it popped up. Don't forget to cancel it though, because if you don't cancel it, you will be charged. And you can see here, just like that, I just popped in, I signed up. So let's look at for different posters that we can do. So scrolling down, we see this one looks pretty nice, right? It's sort of just an empty one. And then once you find the poster that you want to do, you just click on the poster and then you click on customize this template. And then once you click on customize this template, it literally just pops up like this. And you can click the poster and you can click on position and you click on layers, and you can see that these are the different layers of the poster. You can change the background. Let's say I wanted to change the background to green. You can see here it's changed to green. A lot of different customizability. You can click on individual elements and change it as well. Say you don't like element, you can make it less transparent. You can hide it. So it's a lot of different things. You can do transparency. If you do this, you can also, I guess you can also do rounded corners. I guess that for sure. You can change the color, so you can just change that to say you liked it a little more green shade. So it's a lot of different customizability options. So let's say you want to add some text. You scroll over to the left, click on text, and then you're going to click on add text box. So, and it's going to literally just pop up here like this, right? It's sort of like Microsoft Word almost. And you could say maybe birthday party. We'll create an example birthday party. And then you can see the text here. The text is too small, right? Well, you just go up and you can play around with it. You just keep on adjusting. Maybe we'll try 120. We can see it looks or text starts to look a little bit better, and maybe we can make it bold. And let's say you don't like the placement of text. Literally, if you don't like the placement, you just drag and drop it. See? Drag and drop. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. And this is all the different customizabilities you can do. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. See you guys again in the next video. Peace out.